Hi, I'm Carla from Flowingcreek, and today we're going to make this layered paper card. Let's put together this Cardinal card. We'll start with the Cardinal. I like to make sure my pieces are going the right way, which they are not. It goes this way. And he's got his little wing. That's how he's gonna go. So first, I'm gonna put some glue on him. I like these glue pens because they're easy to use. And the glue dries pretty quickly. It also dries clear. So you just line them up like that. You might want some tweezers or something. But there's our Cardinal. And now we have to put his wing on. So this is the glue if you wanted to see it close up. The Zig 2-way glue. You can look in the description. I have a link to it. But I use it because it's not super messy. And then we're just going to stick his wing on wherever you feel like. So the bird is done. Let's set him off to the side. Let's put the snow on the mountain. And just align these points. The snow on the mountain. All right. So now for these bigger pieces, I'm going to use this other glue. Same brand, different point, has a squeezy part, but the glue squeezes out like this, so you can just kind of you didn't even make this card with tape. It on, smooth it down. Next one. This part. I just realized I don't think I have a card base to put this on. Maybe I have one floating around here. We'll probably use both glues for this. I use this for the small pieces. The trees go all the way up. So I'm not going to glue them all the way. Yeah, I was right. Trees don't go all the way up. There's a little bit of space. Right. And then the last piece. And why do I use this roller glue for this card? Because it stays glued better when you do that. Oh, this is big enough. Just the bottom of the tree is attached with that. So we're just gonna slide it on in here like that. And there you have your winter scene. Bit much glue. And we're going to put our bird on there. And I'm going to use the other one. I'm going to use this glue on his body. Come on, little birdie. And we're going to put him, he's in the foreground. Pop in to see you. Then I have a card base. It's just your standard card base. And I'm going to glue it on. Just use this glue. Line it up. So that's it. The project is done. Thank you for watching me make this project. Leave me a comment and let me know how you liked this project and what other kinds of projects you would like to watch me make on this channel. Follow the links in the description to get the project files or supplies. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.